Gardening's real magic happens underground, in the soil. Good soil is alive, packed with nutrients, and is the true foundation for healthy plants. Compost, often called the black gold, transforms tired soil into a vibrant home for your garden. It improves water retention in sandy soils and loosens heavy clay, letting roots thrive. Making compost is deeply satisfying, but it can be slow, sometimes taking months. But what if you could make rich compost in just 3 weeks? There's a simple method that speeds up the process dramatically. The secret? A homemade activator that gets microbes working fast. Compost needs air, water, and the right mix of greens and browns. But the real hack is a special activator you can make from your own lawn. This ingredient jumpstarts decomposition, turning waste into black gold in record time. Let's dive into the secret of fast, powerful compost. The secret ingredient for rapid compost is grass juice. Fresh grass is loaded with nitrogen, a key fuel for compost microbes. Instead of tossing clippings on the pile, turn them into a liquid activator. Fill a bucket halfway with fresh grass, cover with water and bruise the blades. Let it ferment for a day or two. It'll get smelly, but that's good. This potent liquid is your compost's energy shot. Pour the grass juice over your compost pile, letting it soak through all layers. It wakes up the microbes, kick-starting decomposition at full speed. Use grass juice every time you start a new pile, especially with lots of dry material. It's a natural, powerful way to get your compost working hard from day one. With this boost, your pile transforms in just 3 weeks. Now let's build the perfect compost recipe. Think of composting like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right amounts. Greens are fresh, moist, and nitrogen-rich. Grass clippings, veggie scraps, coffee grounds. Browns are dry and carbon-rich. Cardboard, leaves, straw, twigs. Aim for 2 parts brown to 1 part green for a balanced pile. Start with a coarse brown layer for drainage, then alternate thin layers of greens and browns. Lightly moisten each layer. The pile should feel like a wrung-out sponge. After a few layers, pour on your grass juice activator. Keep building layers, adding water and grass juice as you go, until the pile is about 1 meter high and wide. This size holds heat but is easy to turn. Add a splash of grass juice every so often to keep things moving. A well-built pile is the foundation for fast, rich compost. Next, let's supercharge it with an ancient secret. Enter Biochar. Biochar is an ancient soil booster used for centuries to create fertile black earth. It's a special charcoal made by heating wood in low oxygen, resulting in a porous, stable material. Biochar's tiny holes house beneficial microbes and hold nutrients and water for plant roots. But never add raw biochar directly. It'll absorb nutrients from your pile. Charge it first by soaking in grass juice or another nutrient-rich liquid for 24 hours. Once soaked, sprinkle inoculated biochar between your compost layers as you build. It becomes a permanent part of your finished compost, improving soil for years. Biochar acts like a luxury hotel for microbes, boosting soil health and fertility. This simple addition creates a lasting legacy in your garden. Now let's keep your pile hot and active for rapid results. Turning is the key. Here's how. After building your pile, the real action begins. Within 24-48 hours, the center heats up, proof the microbes are working. This heat kills weed seeds and pathogens, making your compost safe. To keep things moving fast, turn the pile daily for the first 2 weeks. Turning mixes cooler outer material into the hot center and adds vital oxygen. You'll see steam, shrinking size, and a shift to a rich, earthy smell. After 2 weeks, the pile cools. This means the most active phase is done. Let it cure for 1 more week, turning just once or twice. Fungi finish breaking down tough materials and the compost matures. By day 21, you'll have dark, crumbly, nutrient-rich compost. Fast, simple, and incredibly rewarding. Now let's put your black gold to work. Here's how to use it. After 3 weeks, your compost is ready. Dark, sweet-smelling, and full of life. Unlike chemical fertilizers, homemade compost feeds the soil, not just the plants. Spread it as mulch on beds to suppress weeds, retain moisture, and feed your garden. Dig it into new beds to boost structure and fertility. Add a spadeful to planting holes for trees and shrubs. Mix it with soil and sand for a rich living potting mix, perfect for containers. The microbes in your compost protect roots and help plants thrive. Every plant benefits from this natural boost. To recap, make grass juice, build layers of greens and browns, add charged biochar, turn daily, then cure. It's simple, fast, and deeply satisfying. Creating your own soil connects you to nature's cycles. Try it, your garden will thank you. Happy composting.